Hi, so I'm Professor Zubair Jangir and I will be guiding you all how do you smartly prepare for your EBCL subject. Now your EBCL subject has three parts. Your part A has 11 chapters for 40 marks. Your part B has one chapter for 25 marks and your part C has 12 chapters for 35 marks. Now you have to understand one thing. From here the most important is your part B because one chapter is for 25 marks. Out of this 25 marks, if you can score 20, you can easily clear the exams. Second, there is part A which has 11 chapters for 40 marks. Remember, mostly the questions here are direct questions where they will give you the question and you have to directly write the answer. So it's again very simple if you know the law. The third, your part C, they ask a combination of situational questions as well. So you will have to know how to write situational questions. For all the scanners for EBCL subject for all the parts has been given in our Telegram group, which I will give the link in the description. Go ahead, download it. You will get all the past exam questions along with the model answers. Now, how do you study this subject? You have to understand that there is certain grade A chapters. When I say grade A, that means 7 chapters come for around 70 marks in your paper. First and the most important is your competition act, which is 25 marks, where you have to score 20. I have taken a lecture on this where I've covered it in depth so that a student can score maximum marks. The link of that video I will put it in the description. It covers all the past exam questions. Then is your FEMA. Then is your transfer of property. I have covered all these chapters. Then there is NBFC, there is SEZ, there is RBI and there is FDI. Now remember, in FDI, there is a new provision which is of debt and non-debt regulation. You should also know that. Then comes in your grade 2 chapters, FCRA, which I feel it can come in your exam since there was few amendments. I have taken those as well. All those video links are there in our Telegram group and our WhatsApp groups. Now, these are the grade 2 chapters and these are your grade 3 chapters. Now from grade 3, this is again important. They can ask you consumer protection for more marks also. Then there is also RERA, which they are not asking for a long time, but they can ask for around 5 mark as well. Benami transaction, again very important. Okay, from these are your grade 3 chapters. Now how does your question paper come like? Your question paper, mostly the question will be for 5 marks maximum. Okay, so there are no 8 marker answers, etc. So if you just can write the concept well with the relevant provision, you can easily pull off a 3 and you can get good marks. Now in your question 2 and question number 6, you will get options and you have to choose the options correctly and wisely. Your part A will have direct questions, so you don't have to worry. As long as you know the law, it is fine. Here you will have to have expert knowledge. So that expert knowledge I've already provided in my video. And here you will have to learn how do you write situational answers. So you will write facts of the case, then you will write the question involved, then you will write the provision of law, okay, and then you will write the conclusion. You can, however, choose a different format also to write it, which is also fine. Now this is how your paper comes. Mostly part 3 will be a situational based questions coming mostly from transfer of property or situational questions from consumer protection is a short thing. So definitely do that. Okay. And that is it. So go ahead, join the Telegram and the WhatsApp groups, take the EBCL scanner, do the scanner thoroughly because 30% to 35% comes from the scanners. Okay, that is one thing. Second, also study the videos, the marathon videos, especially especially your competition act. Okay, I sign off. The paper will be easy. Just study everything. Don't leave any chapter. Watch a video on it, call a friend, but don't leave any chapter. Okay, at least leave the lesson roundup given at the end of your chapter. Wish you all the very best. See you all.